Damn, bruh. Why Tails gone nutty? Oh hell nah, Tails gone severely nutty. Look at him, bro. Look at him, bro. Now, you know me. I make videos of practically everything strange, wonky, and rather, oh, not my fave, but it's really good. Shut up, this is beautiful. If only the creator of the song wasn't a total dork. Maybe, just maybe, this could have been real. Maybe we could have gotten, what the hell is his name? The EXE Eggman. What was his name? What was his name? It started with a C, right? His name was, Genesis. Never mind, didn't start with a C. Whatsoever. I'm fucking retarded. Oh, can I get a little zoom in on the face? Can I get a little zoom in there, brother? This could be like some really cool album art. What happened? What happened? Yeah, but the character did nothing. Look up yourself. Man, I think he just clogged up his emotes, bruh. Never mind, he's just distorting reality. As the common spectator. Hurry, on Blood Temple. Bruh, it's not on Blood Temple, my guy. The homie is really just kind of vibing out. You're gonna give me away. Why is sometimes his neck just appears in his mouth? Is that a million tails? What? He only has you're making it very hard for me to look. You're being a real duke right now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, it's 22 tails. Which is more than the recommended amount. Don't worry. I understand. I want to get a good picture of you for the thumbnail. There. Well, that will have to do. You will have to. Okay. Tails has had enough of your bullshit. Tails, after being impaled on a spike for the 420th time. Tails after being impaled on a spike for the 10,000th time. But his tails, what the heck? Bruh, what do you mean what is but his tails? Are you fucking stupid? But that is Tails. He looks beautiful. I'm glad. The real question is giving a badge? No, dingus. Well, this end, but the creator did horrible things like, well, Faker and Black Sun did nothing. It's not about the characters. The owner was a very bad person. Hey Batman, can you do Portal 2 bosses again, please? Oh shit, they did that once? Bro, I haven't seen the Portal 2 bosses in a long time. I miss fucking Wheatley. Admin, is this giving any badges? I'll answer your question. I'll answer your question. No. Good day. I see Gridley and Demon, so I can fly. Shut up. I fly cooler than you. Shut up, I can fly cooler. Watch this. See, look at that. Why is his neck moving like that, dude? My brother. What are you talking about? Why did it got darker? Because my homie's giving it all he's got, bruh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Spin it. No, I gotta get some. I gotta get it. I gotta get this for the thumbnail. I gotta get this for the thumbnail. Oh, this would just be too perfect. I gotta get this for the thumbnail. I just gotta get this for the thumbnail. Oh, yeah. That is perfect. Oh, this is the perfect thumbnail. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm a genius. Tails Faker. Boom. File name. Boom. Oh. Oh, God. No, this would be even better. Where's our items? Well, I still have mine, so fuck this suck, nerd. Uh, I, uh, I still have my items. I still have my items. I'm legally cooler than you. I'm legally cooler than you. This is so damn nuts. Spoke to the monster, you're a monster. Well, no shit, Sherlock. That's like telling a criminal, hey, you do crimes. That's like telling a criminal, hey, that's a crime. But look at his teeth. I'm in the first person this rocks. Why are people trying to friend me? Do people know who I am? Oh! Oh! Man made it go blue, man made it go blue. Finally, man made it go blue. Where for exit? Oh wow, he's getting a seizure. If I hadn't heard that. Light blue. Dark blue, idiot. Are you retarded? I need to stop being so mean. But I can't help it. POV, your boy. POV, your boyfriend. Oh, I thought he'd disappear after that, but I guess not. I think I'll continue flying though. It's very nice. It's very nice. I like your face. I'm gonna go right up in that face. Oh, oh, POV, was that the bite of 87? POV, the bite of 87. He's gonna open up his mouth to reveal his child, Tails Jr. At least I still have eyes. How do people make this stuff in Roblox Studio? Like, I really just want to know. I just want to know. I just want to know. I just want to know. Legitimately, how the fuck do people make this shit in Roblox Studio? Like, legitimately, out of the things you're given, I don't know how the hell people make this shit. Huh, it's admin. No shit, Sherlock! Wait, I just realized something I never thought about. Uh-huh. 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 Say it. We are all listening. I'm listening to you. And that is very important, because I am a YouTuber, and legally I'm cooler than you. So. But how do you have admin? You're stupid, retarded, and... You're stupid and retarded. I'll take it from here, folks. Where's Faker? Like, in the lobby, we don't see a morph of him. He was removed for the... He was removed for the creator's crimes. He was removed for the creator's crimes. Dang it. I see. Yes. Who get question mark, question mark, question mark? Fate? Yo, turn this shit up, bro. Turn it up, bro. Monster Tails doll. Monster Tails doll. Bro, that ain't Tails doll, bro. Where the hell you get that from? Do you see the giant red tumor poking out of his head? I'm just gonna call that gem in Tails doll's head a red tumor. Why would you stop? Why would you stop? Come on, man. Come on, man. I was jamming. Come on, man. I was jamming. Remove it. Remove it before somebody sees you. Good. Okay, now we're ready. Load X, bro. No way. Load X. I don't want to load X. I love this song so much. It's a jam. Why'd they remove it, though? Maybe it just didn't fit Lord X's theme. But Lord X is, you know, darker and much more monstrous than the original Sonic.exe, so would have fit a lot better. Like, it's canon that Lord X is more of a sadistic monster than the original Xenophanes. So, God, he looks so fucking nuts. And the only dart you can see that's red, that's still red, is his eyes. That's fucking great. Lord X hashtag glad to have him. But they could talk because I don't think people really give a fuck. It just got foggier, darker up in here, bro. Everybody, hold out your torches like they're fucking candles out here, dude. Oh, such a good song. It makes me want to cry. Wow. Man, go. Go, man, go. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! The big boy! Turn that shit up. Oh! 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 Let me. Oh! Oh! No torches. Oh! The big boy hours, dude! Big boy Lord X hours, let's go! Yeah, baby! Skeletal Lord X hours, man! Oh, my boy Lord X going up! Lord X was always my favorite Sonic .exe character, bruh, Loki. He was always a homie. I thought that was actually my computer, and I nearly just had a stroke. He's gone. Where did he go? I don't know. That was a Windows sound. No shit. Oh, it was actually my Windows. No, no, no. It was the song. It's alright. Lord X died. Frankly, I'm glad he's dead. He can stay dead. That was a joke. Come back. Come back. No, he's still in the game. He's gotta be still in the game. You see, he's still in the game. Come on now, lads. Let's not get hasty. Where'd you go? Where did you go? No, it's not. No, please come back. Please come back. I will scout you out if I have to. Please come back. I need more content. We're nearly at 20 minutes. If we get to 20 minutes, maybe I'll have like 1 or 2 advertisements. Come on, guy. Come on, man. Where are you? Come on. No, please, come back. Come back, please. I need content. I really need content. Please, come back. I need content. Please, please. Please don't leave. I need content. Oh, okay. Yep, there's my content. Yep, there's the content right there. Wait, hold up. Can we do a POV shot? Can we do a POV shot? Can we hit the POV? Can we? Oh, you are bitch. PO, Tails doesn't even have any tails in it. He's still going. Oh shit, bro. Tails is about to meet its maker, bro. What, man? He is vibing respectfully. Don't leave. We're just beginning. I thought you were going to the Vibe Club. I'm sorry, my good fellow. And so, the Agile, why the fuck are you getting closer? Stop getting closer. I'm only watching you for the There we go. Perfect. Perfect. So we have the tails, it minding its own business in the forest of Green Hill Zone, when a wild EX ruby comes to disturb its path. The tails stands, figuring out its next move, while more ravenous players appear around him. The tails decides to scare off the predators with his classic gnashing jaw technique. But it works to no avail. So he begins rapping in hopes to scare off the predators. But unfortunately, they do not budge. So the tails retreats to its den, located in a place not even our greatest drones can find. Having a great day right now. God damn it! Damn it! God damn it! God damn it! Who was that? Oh, fuck me. And then... And then, out of nowhere, the a wild stare-crown goes invisible to scout out its next meal. So, we cut to this wild... Fucking hell, Jesus Christ. Fuck you, asshole. Shut up. Just stop doing that. I'm done. Our cameraman is leaving to go fucking piss off. No. Little did they know that something was lurking near the plain of Green Hill. So the players come, ready to find and scavenge their next meal. Little did they know that they would be the meal. They're still waiting. The players are still confused onto where the menace is. Now they're beginning to get desperate, constantly nagging and wondering where it is, until eventually the wild stare-crown appears in front of them, staring down onto its victims, as it begins to randomly disappear all over the damn place, like a fucking lunatic. He uses this technique to confuse his prey. But the players are not amused by his tactics. So the stare-crown then decides to get faster with his random bullshit, causing the players but the players do not move a fucking inch. The stare-crown then begins to get visibly a little pissy. So the stare-crown tries yet again to confuse and bewilder the players using its disappearing technique. The stair crown disappears once again as fog surrounds the players. They are now completely and utterly confused. What is going on to them? The fog covers the entire landscape around them, covering them in pure whiteness. The perfect environment for the stair crown to strike. And so it waits. And strikes. The stair crown has now completely warped reality, and our players are fucking doomed. The players are now begging. The players are now begging for their freedom. But the stair crown does not let up. He continues to rap, to confuse and terrify his prey. And then he was gone, causing some of the players to be dead in an instant. And it is gone. Probably, hopefully, never to be seen. Oh, but then the stair crown returns to finish what he started, and then disappears to bewilder and confuse the players, snatching another on its way. Covering the world in pitch blackness as he does so. The players are now completely blinded and cannot see where the stair crown went, leaving them completely defenseless. As the stair crown then returns again, completely warping these hills, causing the players to be absolutely terrified. The stair crown is now completely warping reality to do whatever it likes to the players as it screams in retaliation and in defeat. The players are now left alone as the hills slowly return back to its normal state. And it is gone. Hopefully never to be seen again. Never mind, the stair crown has returned to feast upon the souls of its prey. The stair crown is not done, and has turned into its most horrifying form it has yet to become. As it attempts to feast upon the remaining players, in this hellscape that used to be called Green Hill Zone. The players are now fucking terrified. The players are now horrified, screaming for it to be over. But the Stair Crown does not hesitate, nor does it resist, or even giving the players a little bit of mercy, as the world begins to fall under Stair Crown's grasp. The players attempt to pull out their torches to light up the environment, but it is no use. Stair Crown is invincible, torches or not, as all their torches get instantly snuffed out in an instant. As the sky turns red, everyone knows they're doomed, including me. Why am I still here doing this shit? Stair Crown is now causing the players to have mental hallucinations, the sky turning different colors as the fog closes in on them. This is the end. Is this the end for our player friends? It does not seem so, for none of them have been taken in this bloody battle, as the sky begins to get brighter. But then the Stair Crown, in retaliation, proceeds to make the sky even darker again, as it begins to take full control of the landscape it has been placed in. As the sky goes black once again, the Stair Crown might just be the superior predator. But it will not let up. It has now disappeared to once again mentally fool the players as everything fades to black. The players are now completely blinded and cannot see and cannot be saved. The Stair Crown has now turned the world entirely white as the heavens fall onto the players. The Stair Crown has now gotten somehow even fucking scarier. Despite the fact his appearance has not changed, the Stair Crown does not let up, causing deadly, hazardly fogs to surround the players. This may just be their downfall. This may just be their fatal fog, as the whole world turns a deep shade of yellow, toying with the players' minds. Is it real, or is it fake? God if I fucking know. But the whole world has turned yellow from the Stair Crown's influence. As now, it's causing everything to go monochromatic, with the only color we ever seen being purple. This may just be the darkest moment in Green Hills yet. And then, just like that, it was gone. But not for long, for the influence of the players is bringing it back, as the sky gets even darker. Doomslayer has came, but I don't think he's going to be able to stop this monstrosity from tearing apart the entirety of Green Hills. Stair Crown once again returns in its smaller, less fatal state, as it disappears, leaving the sky normal once again. The Stair Crown now thanks the players for participating for his $20 gift card. And then proceeds to scare the fuck out of him again. Fuck you. Fuck you. Who is this guy? Zibble? I'm gonna fucking report my abuse. The abuse being a dick. The players were left alone. Not seen at all. The players now celebrating their great victory. Their great victory. Okay, well, no more content. I'm going back into the water.